Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you again that how to connect Claude with WordPress. So first of all, you need to download Claude Desktop version. So you can download it from Claude.com, and we will connect through Novamira. So you can download it Novamira plugin as well from Novamira.ai, and I already downloaded the plugin. So let's start. Install and activate the plugin. Okay, then go to Novamira configuration. Turn on the AI abilities. Select Claude Desktop. Okay, and create application password. So click on application password, generate application password, and then under generate application password, in the fourth step, connect your AI client. So click on manual configuration for Claude Desktop. Click on this one and simply copy. Okay, open your Claude Desktop version. Okay, and click on the profile button. Click on settings, then click on developers, and then click on edit config option. It will open the files path. So click open Claude Desktop config.json file. Open it with any editor. I will open it with Claude VS Code. Okay, simply remove all the existing things and paste your current the code you copy. Okay, and save. Okay, now close this and close your Claude as well. So close Claude and reopen it again. Okay, reopen the Claude again and check whether it is connected or not. So how you can check? You can click on your profile button and go to developers. Okay, let's search it again. You can see Claude is connected with my WordPress website using Novamira. So this is how you can connect your Claude with WordPress. Thank you.